How to sell Squarespace templates on Etsy. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to sell Squarespace templates on Etsy. So the first step in this video is we go to the Etsy website and sign in to your Etsy account if you already have an account. But if you don't, you can just sign up in here as well. So we're here on the website. We're going to go to the search bar and search for Squarespace templates. So we're going to search for Squarespace templates. So as you can see here, there are a lot of listings shown here for Squarespace templates. So we're just going to choose one. So this one. So this shows what the product is all about, the images that you can purchase. So as you can see, they also put some guidelines on how to purchase the said product. So in this side, we have the description of the product, the full information. So there, this is the part, this is how the product listing would look like. So once you scroll down, you can scroll down in the Etsy website and just press the sell here if you don't have an account. But since I have an account, I will just go to proceed on my shop manager. So now that we have an overview of how to present our Squarespace template product in Etsy, I'm going to show you how to add the listing. So if you're already a seller here in Etsy, in my case, I'm still new, so this is what my interface would look like in creating a listing. So as you can see, these are the information to be put for your listing. So here's the image to upload, the video you would like to upload, if you have one. So you can also put the listing details in here, your description, from who made it, so what is it, and when did you make it. So here in the category, this is the part where we put website template as the category. So I'm just going to type it in here. So there we have it. So on the next part, we're going to go down on the renewal options. So it's up to you if you want automatic or manual. In the automatic, you'll be having a fee for 0.20 USD. So and the type of our product is going to be digital, so let's switch to digital since it's going to be a Squarespace template. So here in the tags, we're going to add the Squarespace templates as a tag so that it would show whenever we search on the Etsy, so that your product will be shown. So we're going to add the personalization here as well. So here, this is an instruction for buyers. So we're going to type in here, enter your email when. So here you're going to type in here, enter your email where you would want to receive your digital product. So this is the part we're going to personalize the product and add a description. So this is the part. So after that, we can continue, save, and publish this listing. So if you're already an existing seller, there would be a button here that would say save and publish or publish. So if you're ready to publish your product, you can proceed to click on that button. But for this video, and since I'm still new in Etsy, I'm just going to continue. So I'm just gonna go click save and continue. So as I save and continue, there will be some red marks that will shown, so the process won't go through. So we have to make sure to fill out this information for creating a listing. So as you can see, it won't proceed since we have some missing information, but that is on a different video tutorial on how to put some informations in there. So all you have to do to create your listing is to make sure you provide these information. So here you upload your images, video, your category. So after you provide this information, you will be directed to your payment on how it will be paid, whether it should be bi-weekly or every day. So that's about it, guys, on today's video. I hope you learn and apply this tutorial in your Etsy shop business. Thank you for watching.